Alright, so it is 5:36. Heading to Coquitlam to a random Tim Hortons to go meet our friends, but not meet our friends, meet their car. We're meeting their car. Our car is meeting their car. So that they can follow us around and we can look at Christmas lights together. But separately but together.
Yeah.
To be COVID safe, because there's no fault in following another vehicle, but there's fault in interacting, and we're not interacting.
No, we'll be in separate vehicles, therefore there should be no problems at all.
Yep, exactly.
And even if they have COVID, then we're separate.
Yeah, exactly. They don't have COVID though.
No.
So just throwing that out there. Anyway, yeah. So we are gonna head to Tim Hortons and get drinks, and then get the show on the road. We got 17 places if we do them all, starting in Port Coquitlam and then heading as far as like North Burnaby, basically Vancouver, PNE area. So yeah, come along and see what we see.
So our friends just finished. They got here a little bit late somehow. We got there before we did, even though they were ahead of us. So we're just sitting here. I got a French vanilla, Leslie got a hot chocolate. And then, where's the first one? Bray Street?
It's not Bray Street. Ray Street.
Ray Street, I thought it was Bray.
No, Miracle on Ray Street. R-A-E.
Unicorn.
So,
I heard your girlfriend.
Yep, oh yeah, you heard the beep? Yeah, this is Miracle on Ray Street.
Wow, they have such official signage.
Yeah.
Yeah, COVID. Otherwise, normally you can stop. Oh, this looks really good in the camera. I had some good settings.
I wonder who pays for all the signage. Is the neighbors?
Sure, it's in partnership with the city though.
Yeah. Your electricity bill must be... Oh yeah.
This is Flint Street.
Flint Street in Coquitlam.
You can't even see the house because of all the inflatables. That's great.
It's huge.
I love it.
I told Leslie we should get some of these for our living room, and just have that as the only thing we have in our living room.
That's amazing.
This is Nestor Street in Coquitlam. What street is this?
El Camino.
Caliente Place, actually.
I really like this one.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Donate to share. Sure, it's not religious, is it?
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I like the garage decor.
Mm-hmm.
Merry Christmas.
And this is Mara Drive in Coquitlam. Lights is...
You said 98.7.
Over there?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. Milford Ave?
Oh.
Charlie, what do you think of these lights?
Oh, I like
What?
the bear.
What bear? Oh, the bear.
The bear's
See, I would have that bear in our living room.
I like the bear on the roof and the dog on the roof.
Oh, driving on the curb.
Wow.
Yeah.
So impressed by it.
Till we get some, so bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good
And there's a little bit of music in the background.
Christmas and a happy
Oh, this one has a train in the background, isn't it? Isn't this one a train? I think so. We're going to go right. There's one that has a train in the background. I feel like this is it. Yeah, it is.
You are right.
I am right. There's a Christmas tree in the backyard.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright.
Oh, there's also a little gondola.
Uh-huh.
That's so cute.
It'll
Ryan, did you see the little gondola?
Oh yeah, look, it's going up and down.
What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
We are Burn Lake Drive in Burnaby now.
Open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
So we're just gonna try and creep by here because it's too busy.
Yeah, try not to hit anyone.
There's
There's a lot of little kids.
a lot of small people.
I feel like people aren't watching their little people very well.
I feel like we watch our little sons a lot better. Okay, well, yeah, something's gonna happen here. It's red.
There's me.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle
Kincaid Street in Burnaby.
all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse
I like the like
Okay. Me too.
the arch is cool.
jingle all the way.
And the candy canes on the hedge.
And the nice car in the driveway. Looks like a Camaro.
Open sleigh.
Yeah.
So what street is this now? It's Victoria Drive in Vancouver.
I like that it's like all the way across done.
Yeah,
That's nice.
very nice. Even this one at the end, it just kind of like evens it out, even if it's just a little bit.
There's a kitty just chilling on the street.
Is there? Oh, it's a meow meow. It's a corgi. It's a like red and white meow meow. We always said if we were gonna get a cat, Leslie wants to get a red and white one so it matches Rory.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Now there's people coming.
Are you still thinking about